victims under a government scheme where they straightaway get 2 lakhs when somebody of theirs dies. Previously what it was, you had to apply within 180 days. We have given a relaxation and made that into 365 days. Means if you are a year late also to apply to claim compensation as a victim of an accident, you get that. Further, income limit was in this particular scheme 3 lakhs. We have increased the limit to 10 lakhs. This is one part of it. Other part is that all the cases that were pending prior to making these changes in applying, we have given as a one-time relaxation, we have covered all the victims. So everybody who applied had an accident or death in the family, they have been compensated by giving them 2 lakhs of rupees. We have given something like almost 6 crores, 595 lakhs, that is almost 6 crore. And now today we gave about 46 lakhs. Today we gave about 46 lakhs. See, it is not enough to compensate when there are accidents, somebody dies. It is very tragic. It was a very touching moment. I was asking each one of them, and the way, the expression on their face and what they said, they are still feeling the pain after a year and a half or 2 years. What it shows, if we would have known it only if somebody of ours close had died in an accident. Government is doing all that is possible to see that accidents don't happen. In fact, Honorable Chief Minister and me requested Gadkari ji to give a special fund. He was inclined to give us about 150 crores. He has agreed finally to give about 300 crores. The first tranche of 150 crores he has already sent it to us. Now it is the job of the PWD to correct the black spots or accident prone areas. Work luckily has started in 12 such places or about to start. Other 30 such spots are there which also needs correction. In some cases it is a case of land acquisition, somebody not allowing to do the work. That also in due course it will be sorted out. Once this is done, then obviously it will become accident free, or minimum accident I will say can take place.